Junior na nieti ni Ngaruiya Junior na daroneka hari ari tondu Ngaruiya ni muthii. Ngaruiya is a traveler. Muhurire iruhi o hari ari. Ngaruiya muhurire iruhi o hari ari. Ni eguka. No Ngaruiya ni muikaraga haha ndagika imwe ugicirie haha nja agakuhurira thimu agakwira ndiri muru. Ugiikara ndeka cigana ona ethubukia. Turaikarire nake ha Blue Spring within few hours ndirona eirima-ini ria mamu wao rikienjwo. Ndirarigwa did Ngaruiya take a chopper? Tondu Ngaruiya is a moving head. Koguo Brandon ikaroke huragira Ngaruiya tondu akwire riwe gikomba agetha thuti yake. But he is a wonderful guy. We came here to support him. Tugietagirira other dignitaries, tugietagirira our bishops. Mweigwe, manage my microphone without killing me. Mweigwe mwe haria hagireire. Nie ndiramutongoria njitagwo Reverend Sir James. I have my committee ira turabangana maundu maya. Andu Lawrence mutungatiri uka metheno come over here. Mutungatiri Andu Lawrence metheno ari nibo irugamireire treasurer witu Lois Kim na ni undu wa andu aria marenda guthie ukuona mutungatiri Ann metha-ini iria utige mucumari waku. All right, appreciate yakwa makofi. Number 2, ibuku ritu ria condolence ri haria nja nijue ni kwagia nduma na hatire thitima ni gwikirwo so that all of you otugithia na mbere you can sign ibuku riu for purposes of family or kuiga record ya andu aria mokire during this memorial service. Washrooms ito cia haha nja just outside here. That is where washrooms are. Kindly, if you want to visit any uguthio hau na mukawa wa Blue Spring ni munene, twina several washrooms around. Ngai witu amurathime. Ni undu wa andu aria makubatara na baitu ya as early as now, appreciate atongoria itu Magiuka makiingira. Kindly twina iti hau otiga ici cia mbere iko itigirwo the bishops. We have seats. Brandon ni ukumenya uria gwika, you will add more seats hapa ni undu wa our dignitaries, ni undu wa andu aria marenda kuheana iheo ciao through M-Pesa na ringi wina ihenya. Kindly oya thimu yaku wandike namba ino, oya thimu yaku right away, na DJ Sony ni ugutuhe mix ya Aini ta atatu because igongona riri ni ria Muini ni ria Aini. 0721 638 170 0721 638 170. Watuma ikuruta ritwa Daniel Ngaruiya. Daniel Ngaruiya na record citu ni iguthie haria he treasurer 0721 638 170. Kamuira gohete some few artists tone guona there are so many. Igimagwetana maritwa there are so many. They came to support their brother. Muira mokite. Allow me demucokerie ngatho inyuothe kuma riria maitu ciugo ciagirwo kuguo ni Ben Githae ni eguka, but kuma riria maitu arwarire, you have been supportive to the family na indo cianyu na guthie mucie na guthie thibitari. Jipigieni makofi kwa sababu ya hiyo. Number 2, rira rahurukire turambiriria macaka ya guku Homeland na mange kura Limuru na mange Subukia. amwe ni mukite na ngemuka hura thimu na ngemuka ruta mbeca cianyu muri andu afata right now kuria Subukia Arash Farm ni hindi setup ya Igongona irekwo. We have one of our event organizers ugwitwo Joel Mushembe kana Global Events niwe wikuo na ni undu wa wendo munene. Joel yari okou na brother yake ni ahurukire rushini. Brother yake ni ahurukire rushini, the older brother. Twamwira riu ona woka na guku, there is nothing you can do. Twatengera Mountain Zuma twiga brother yake twamwira nyitirira Ngaruiya iyo ni mbegu urahanda nawe warikia ni tugukunyitirira. So work is being done in Arash Farm kuria Subukia, and I can assure you tone tugathie Thursday ni mukona uria Aini mafangaga maundu mao. Ni mugia huria ruhi Aini niki kajim, you're not even clapping. Thank you Mheshimiwa Dennis Itumbi. Na thie ngiragwo ni amaroka niguo ndiramenya engineer PS wa farabara haha. Some of them I might not recognize by their faces, na nitakuwa ninaongea mpaka Githwairi kwa sababu ya mshanganyiko wa maneno. So as we are seated here, as we are doing this memorial service, the event logistics in Subukia Arash Farm is being done professionally by our team so that we may give our mom a very honorable burial service. Kugegia murathime muno. We will not be here for long. We will not be here for long. We have artists. Not everyone will perform. Few will do. We will have some tributes. We will also have a sermon and a short one, some speeches, and we will also give iheoshi to kule family no. Kogo, that is all what we shall do when we are here. Gai bitu amurathime muno. Leo DJ Sonny, give me fanya maneno. Hebu fanya tena.
Marcus Records. You are in the mix with DJ
Muini omuhe the best song. Dukamuhuria rwimbo rwa 1942. Te rwimbo rwainite mukuru. Umuhe ruria iguane ruo rwega. Nduite riu mundu ta Martin wa Janet, uko na nyimbo ngapi? Magana 300. Kwa hivyo zingine amesahau. Na unaona umezeeka. Sorry hujazeeka. Lakini utazeeka. Wadaro, uko na nyimbo ngapi? 400. Robert no ulirikana rweta kwatia? Robert. Rweta kwatia? Artist afani. Regina uko na ngapi? 45. Ate Regina na 45 and a half. Kenyanya uko na ngapi? Yo kinyetia 70 kweli. Eno gafo. Inyo murokire hede ya single songs. We were doing albums and albums. So DJ Sonny, kindly like 3 or 4 artists on the stage. Ukisikia wimbo wako